Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered if you can buy a house while working a regular 9-to-5 job? Well, I've got some great news for you. It's totally feasible. If you're feeling discouraged or overwhelmed by the thought of home ownership, stick around because today, we're breaking down why buying a house on a 9-to-5 low salary is not only possible, but easy and completely within your reach. We'll be covering practical tips and some amazing programs that can help you turn your dream into a reality. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or looking to upgrade, this video is packed with valuable information to guide you on your journey. So, don't let anyone tell you it's impossible, because you're about to see just how doable it really is. Ready to dive in? Let's get started and show you why buying a home while working your 9-to-5 is absolutely within your grasp. Trust me, you've got this. Down payment. First up, let's talk about the down payment. Let's imagine that the house you want to buy is selling in the market for $175,000 and that your salary is $3,000. A traditional 20% down payment would be $35,000. But don't worry if that sounds daunting. There are lower down payment options available. You could go for a conventional loan with as low as 3 to 5% down. That's about $5,250 to $8,750 for our $175,000 house. If you opt for an FHA loan, you might only need 3.5%, which is $6,125. Keep in mind, though, these lower down payment options typically require private mortgage insurance, or PMI. PMI is an extra monthly cost that protects the lender in case you default. It usually ranges from 0.3% to 1.5% of the original loan amount per year. A FHA loan is one offered by the Federal Housing Administration, FHA, with a minimum down payment of 3.5%. These loans are designed to help lower income and first-time buyers. There are other lower down payment options like the following ones: Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac conventional loans. Some conventional loans allow for down payments as low as 3 to 5%. These are standard mortgage loans that are not backed by the government but meet the requirements of Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. VA loans. For eligible veterans, active duty service members, and their families, VA loans can offer down payments as low as 0%, but most choose to put down some amount to reduce monthly payments. USDA loans. For homes in rural areas, the USDA offers loans that require no down payment, although the buyer must meet income and location requirements. You can receive substantial assistance from both government programs and private entities to help you secure a mortgage loan with a very low down payment, making it easier to start your home ownership journey. Monthly mortgage payment. Now, let's estimate your monthly mortgage payment. Assuming a 30-year fixed mortgage at a 4% interest rate, the principal and interest on a $166,250 loan would be around $793 per month. Add in property taxes and homeowner's insurance, which typically range from $200 to $400 per month, plus PMI if applicable. All in all, you're looking at an estimated monthly payment of about $1,193, with a $3,000 monthly income. This is around 40%, which is higher than the recommended 28%. But what if you start a side hustle, get a raise, or marry your sweetheart who also earns a monthly paycheck similar to yours? Imagine your household income doubles. Combined income. If your spouse also earns $3,000 per month, your combined income is $6,000. Now, that $1,193 monthly payment is just about 20% of your total income, well within the safe range. This makes buying a $175,000 house much more manageable. Plus, married couples can benefit from joint tax filings, potentially leading to higher mortgage interest and property tax deductions. Tax deductions. Speaking of deductions, let's dive into the mortgage interest deduction. You can deduct the interest paid on your mortgage from your taxable income. This is especially beneficial in the early years when interest payments are high. Additionally, you can deduct property taxes from your taxable income. These deductions reduce your taxable income, lowering your overall tax bill. Sweet, right? Government programs. Now, let's explore some amazing government programs designed to help you buy a home. First-time homebuyer programs. Many states offer these programs to help with down payments, closing costs, and more. They often come with lower interest rates and less stringent credit requirements. If you're a veteran, active duty service member, or an eligible family member, VA loans are a fantastic option. They usually require no down payment and don't require PMI. Plus, they offer competitive interest rates. Considering a rural area, USDA loans might be for you. They can require no down payment and offer competitive interest rates, but the home must be in a designated rural area. Additional considerations. Don't forget, families with children can also benefit from child tax credits and deductions for child care and education expenses, making homeownership even more affordable. If you have children, you may be eligible for the Child Tax Credit (CTC), which can provide substantial tax relief. For the 2024 tax year, the Child Tax Credit offers up to $2,000 per qualifying child under the age of 17. This means if you have 2 children, you could receive up to $4,000 in tax credits. These credits directly reduce the amount of taxes you owe, putting more money back in your pocket. Also, the Child and Dependent Care Credit allows you to claim a percentage of qualifying child care expenses for children under the age of 13. This can cover costs like daycare, babysitters, and even summer camps. The percentage of expenses you can claim ranges from 20% to 35%, depending on your income, with a maximum of $3,000 in expenses for 1 child or $6,000 for 2 or more children. So there you have it. Buying a house on a 9-to-5 salary is definitely possible with the right planning and knowledge of available resources. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more home buying tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and happy house hunting!